Are you a coffee lover looking for the perfect espresso machine? Let's introduce you to the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine, a marvel of coffee technology. This isn't your ordinary coffee maker. It's an experience, a journey into the heart of the perfect brew. The Philips 3200 series is all about versatility, offering you the ability to whip up to 5 different black and milk-based coffee varieties, all at the simple touch of a button. But it's not just about the variety, it's about the quality. This machine is designed to extract the most delicious taste and aroma from fresh beans, all while maintaining the perfect temperature. Imagine waking up to that every morning. The Philips 3200 series is more than a machine. It's your personal barista. So get ready to transform your coffee routine into a ritual of perfection. Say hello to the Philips 3200 series, your personal barista at home. Love a silky smooth layer of milk froth on your coffee? Well, let's dive into the magic of the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine's unique feature, the LatteGo milk system. This is not just your regular milk frother, it's a transformative experience. Imagine a thick, creamy, and smooth layer of milk froth gently floating atop your favorite coffee. That's the magic of the LatteGo milk system. But it doesn't stop at just aesthetics. This froth elevates your coffee drinking experience, adding a layer of indulgence that is incomparable. With every sip, you're not just drinking coffee, you're savoring a creamy delight. The texture, the taste, and the aroma, everything is enhanced thanks to the LatteGo milk system. So, are you ready to take your coffee game up a notch? With the Philips 3200 series and its LatteGo milk system, every cup of coffee becomes a creamy delight. The LatteGo milk system, turning a simple cup of coffee into a creamy delight. Craving for a coffee that suits your mood? Ever wished you could have a barista right in your kitchen, ready to serve up your perfect cup of coffee just the way you like it? The Philips 3200 series makes this wish a reality. With its intuitive touch display, choices are literally at your fingertips. Feel like a strong espresso to kickstart the day or a creamy latte to unwind. Simply touch the screen and the machine springs to life, ready to serve up your chosen beverage. But it doesn't stop there. The My Coffee Choice menu allows you to customize your drink to your liking. Whether you prefer your coffee robust or mild, in large quantities or small, this feature ensures your drink is tailored to your taste buds. The Philips 3200 series goes beyond brewing coffee. It provides an experience, one that's shaped by you and your preferences. With the Philips 3200 series, enjoy a personalized coffee experience at your fingertips. Worried about keeping your coffee machine in top shape? Well, fret no more. The Philips 3200 series espresso machine comes with an AquaClean feature, a powerful filter that ensures clear and purified water for every cup of coffee you make. This isn't just a feature, it's a promise of a consistently great coffee experience. But what's even more impressive, this AquaClean filter grants you the freedom to enjoy up to 5,000 cups of coffee before you'll need to descale your machine. Yes, you heard that right. 5,000 cups. That's a lot of mornings, afternoons, and late-night coffee sessions before you'll need to worry about maintenance. What does this mean for you? It means less time worrying about your machine and more time enjoying those perfect brews. It means coffee making hassle-free. It means the Philips 3200 series espresso machine is not just about delivering great coffee, it's about making your life easier. With the Philips 3200 series, enjoy pure coffee without the hassle. Ready to elevate your coffee experience? Let's take a moment to appreciate the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. With its sleek black design, it's an eye-catching addition to any kitchen or office space. But it's not just about looks. This machine is all about delivering outstanding coffee, exactly how you like it. From a refreshing iced coffee to 5 different black and milk-based coffee varieties, it's all there at the touch of a button. The programmable settings let you customize your coffee strength and quantity, ensuring your cup of joe is always just right. And let's not forget about the LatteGo milk system for that silky smooth layer of froth on top. Maintenance is a breeze too, with the AquaClean filter keeping your water clear and pure. So why wait? Don't just make coffee, make every cup an experience, don't wait. Discover the joy of perfect coffee with the Philips 3200 series. Order now and enjoy a coffee experience like never before.